Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store. After that, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this app from this developer and open it. Following that, choose while using the app and allow in all pop-ups and click on Home button. Then go into Devices Settings, choose Apps and Notifications and click on Default Apps. Lastly, click on Home app, tap on iOS Launcher and just got it! As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my BLACKVIEW. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, choosing the same ones, Default Apps, clicking on the Home app and tapping on your default launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!